Make sure you subscribe if you have not done that, and follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So if in case you want to stay updated on what next will be happening on Pound USD, I'll give you guys an update there. So a quick analysis on what we should be expecting this week. I believe on Pound USD, we're actually on a downtrend move. So this is our low and our pullback phase. This is our new lower low here, and here comes the lower high, and here is our new lower low. This is on the daily time frame, by the way, and here comes the equal low. Yeah, so market has given us an equal low. So basically, the next movement we should be expecting is another new lower low. So this is actually for position traders or long-term traders. Our buyers should be down, right? So we should expect this drop, a pullback, and then we should be expecting another drop. So this week we should be expecting a bearish move this week on GBPUSD. And now this year we clearly can see something like this. Market is ranging within this level. As we can see that this is our support level, and then comes the resistance. Market eventually dropped our support and then it came back to our resistance. So like I said, we should be expecting another drop since we are expecting a bearish move this week. So we should be expecting market to actually drop to tap the support level. There's possibility we are very much going to break the support level. So basically, if it drops here and it does not come back to tap this resistance level, it will most likely break it and drop more. And let's see our 1 hour time frame. Also, 1 hour time frame is trying to play a double bottom. Let's see if it will actually play it completely, or it might be liquidity that is about to pay out. Probably might just come out, tap out liquidity, and eventually drop. So above all, we are still expecting the sell this week. There's going to be a massive sell this week.